Feeling a little off lately, even though nothing seems wrong? What if the answer isn't just in your head, but also in your gut? Welcome. In the next 30 seconds, we're diving into the fascinating and increasingly understood connection between your gut health and your mental well-being. Get ready to discover how the tiny microbes in your belly might be playing a huge role in your mood, stress levels, and even your overall brain function. It's a game changer. Today we will talk about the link between gut health and mental well-being. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The brain's second command center. The intricate relationship between our gut and brain, often referred to as the gut-brain axis, is a groundbreaking area of scientific discovery that is profoundly reshaping our understanding of health. Far from being isolated entities, the gastrointestinal tract and the central nervous system are in constant bidirectional communication. This connection is not merely metaphorical. It is a complex network involving nerves, hormones, and immune pathways. The vagus nerve, the longest cranial nerve, serves as a primary highway for this communication, transmitting signals from the gut to the brain and vice versa. Beyond direct neural connections, the gut's vast network of neurons, often dubbed the second brain or enteric nervous system, ENS, autonomously manages digestive processes, but also plays a crucial role in influencing our mood, stress response, and even cognitive functions. This profound interplay highlights that mental well-being is not solely a product of brain chemistry, but is intimately tied to the health of our digestive system. 2. The microbiome's mental influence. At the heart of the gut-brain axis lies the gut microbiota, trillions of microorganisms, primarily bacteria, residing in our intestines. This diverse community, unique to each individual, is not merely a passive inhabitant, but an active participant in numerous physiological processes, including nutrient absorption, vitamin synthesis, and immune system development. Emerging research unequivocally demonstrates that the composition and diversity of this microbial ecosystem have a direct and significant impact on mental health. An imbalance in the gut microbiota, known as dysbiosis, has been implicated in various psychiatric conditions, including anxiety, depression, autism spectrum disorder, and even neurodegenerative diseases. These microbes produce a myriad of neuroactive compounds, such as short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, which can directly influence brain function and neurotransmitter balance. Therefore, nurturing a healthy and diverse gut microbiome is increasingly recognized as a vital strategy for supporting optimal mental well-being. 3. Neurotransmitters. Gut-produced mood regulators. Perhaps one of the most astonishing revelations concerning the gut-brain axis is the gut's significant role in neurotransmitter production. Often associated solely with the brain, many crucial neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that regulate mood, sleep, appetite, and other vital functions, are predominantly manufactured in the gut. Serotonin, for instance, a key neurotransmitter widely recognized for its role in regulating mood and happiness, has approximately 90% of its total body supply produced and stored in the gut. Similarly, the gut also contributes to the production of dopamine, associated with reward and motivation, and GABA, a primary inhibitory neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. When the gut environment is compromised, this production can be disrupted, potentially leading to imbalances that manifest as mood disturbances, increased anxiety, or difficulty sleeping. This intricate biochemical connection underscores why addressing gut health is fundamental to achieving stable emotional well-being. 4. Inflammation, a shared pathway to dysfunction. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a pervasive issue in modern society, and its detrimental effects extend far beyond localized pain or swelling. It is increasingly recognized as a shared pathological pathway linking poor gut health to various mental health disorders. An unhealthy gut lining, often referred to as leaky gut or increased intestinal permeability, can allow undigested food particles, toxins, and microbial byproducts to leak into the bloodstream. This triggers a systemic inflammatory response, as the immune system mistakenly identifies these substances as threats. This inflammation is not confined to the gut. It can cross the blood-brain barrier, leading to neuroinflammation, which disrupts brain function, damages neurons, and alters neurotransmitter synthesis. Conditions like depression and anxiety are now often viewed through an inflammatory lens, with evidence suggesting that calming gut inflammation can have profound positive effects on mental state, highlighting the interconnectedness of physical and psychological health. 5. Stress, a two-way street. The relationship between stress and the gut is a classic example of the bidirectional nature of the gut-brain axis. Psychological stress can profoundly impact gut function, altering gut motility, increasing intestinal permeability, and shifting the composition of the gut microbiota. For instance, periods of high stress can lead to symptoms like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or exacerbate existing digestive issues. Conversely, dysbiosis and gut inflammation can act as physiological stressors on the body, signaling distress to the brain and amplifying feelings of anxiety and depression. The hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis, the body's central stress response system, is heavily influenced by gut signals. A healthy gut microbiome can help regulate the HPA axis, promoting resilience to stress, while an imbalanced one can lead to an exaggerated stress response. This cyclical relationship emphasizes the importance of managing stress for gut health and optimizing gut health for stress resilience. 6. Diet. Fueling both body and mind. Diet stands as one of the most powerful and modifiable factors, influencing both gut health and, consequently, mental well-being. A diet rich in processed foods, refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives can disrupt the delicate balance of the gut microbiome, promoting the growth of harmful bacteria and increasing inflammation. Such a diet starves beneficial bacteria, which thrive on fiber and prebiotics found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. In contrast, a diet emphasizing whole, unprocessed foods, fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut, and adequate fiber supports a diverse and robust gut microbiome. This in turn facilitates the production of beneficial compounds like short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, which nourish gut cells and have anti-inflammatory effects. 7. Probiotics and prebiotics. Therapeutic potential. Given the profound link between the gut microbiome and mental health, scientific interest in therapeutic interventions like probiotics and prebiotics has surged. Probiotics are live beneficial microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, confer a health benefit to the host. Specific probiotic strains, often referred to as psychobiotics, are being investigated for their potential to alleviate symptoms of anxiety, depression, and stress by modulating the gut-brain axis. They can produce neuroactive compounds, reduce inflammation, and enhance gut barrier function. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are non-digestible fibers that selectively stimulate the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. By providing nourishment for helpful microbes, prebiotics indirectly support mental well-being. While research is ongoing, incorporating probiotic-rich foods and fermented products, alongside prebiotic-rich foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and oats, offers a promising dietary strategy for fostering a healthier gut and a more resilient mind. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.